Hey guys, what's up? The Bus channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some either timetables or some photos and taking a look at two Simpsons School Bus Pencil cases, I think. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing first. So here we go. I wonder what is going to be inside here. And it looks like it's a negative, guys. So yeah, pretty cool. So here's the negative, guys. Is that the right way? Yes. So here's the negative. I'll probably show you a better photo of that on eBay. And yes, it's of a Johnson's coach. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'll pop that back in the package just to keep it safe from the light. And yes, I will get it out again for the thumbnail. And yes, here's one of the Simpsons school buses that I randomly found. So yeah, here's the front. The front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. And here's the other one, pretty much exactly the same but in worse condition. So here's the side, the front, the back, the top, and the bottom and the back. So yeah, just get the thumbnail now, guys. Here we go. Now I'll just show you a better photo of that negative on eBay. So yeah, here's a better photo of the negative on eBay. Bus reg is ARC646T. So yeah, it is of an old Johnson's double-decker bus. No idea what make it is, but yeah. I think it's probably been scrapped or preserved or whatever now. So yeah, if you guys know anything about it, please tell me in the comments, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.